So it's still morning. We are
early in the morning.
Huh?
She can do ours like in the morning.
Oh yeah.
And then we'll do coffee.
All right. So it's dark, 0 dark, even before my coffee. Ed wanted me to take a video of our cars
So we can remember where he parked.
so we you know, when we get to be our age, I think this is happens. I better do the street sign. Alrighty. Downtown Livermore, folks. Hey, Ed. Ed, I videotaped so that I knew what where we parked at.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're on K Street.
We're on K. South K.
Hey, there's a Mustang.
Okay.
Yeah. I like my rims more.
Yeah. I
600?
Maybe more.
Well, I'll tell you what. I'm glad I'm not working today. I'm glad I'm not working in the car show.
No, I'm okay. No, I'm on Sunset.
Because yesterday burned me out.
Until you get down there.
So all downtown Livermore, folks. This is my friend Ed
How you doing?
and my friend Larry.
Hey, I'm here.
Yeah, we're here. All right, I'll be back. Bye.